Fats, one of the most misunderstood nutrients. For decades, we were told to avoid them, to fear them. But the truth? Your body needs fat, the right kind. Fats are essential for hormone balance, nutrient absorption, and brain function. Without them, you'd feel tired, foggy, and emotionally off. There are 3 types of fats: unsaturated, saturated, and trans fats. Let's break them down simply. Unsaturated fats are your heroes. They lower bad cholesterol, boost heart health, and fight inflammation. You'll find them in avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Saturated fats aren't evil, just misunderstood. Coconut oil, dairy, and eggs have healthy saturated fats that support energy and hormones, when eaten in moderation. But trans fats, those are the villains. They're found in fried foods, pastries, and margarine. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and lead to heart disease. So, what should you do? Don't cut all fats. Choose smart fats. Cook with olive oil, snack on almonds, and enjoy salmon instead of fried meats. Healthy fats also help you absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. The ones that keep your skin glowing, your heart beating strong, and your brain sharp. So next time you see a low-fat label, remember, your body doesn't need less fat, it needs the right fat. Feed your body with balance, and it will reward you with strength, clarity, and longevity. This is Body Script Nutrition, where your food writes your story.